Hi, I have a poem today by Shel Silverstein. It's called Bear in There. There's a polar bear in our Frigidaire. He likes it 'cause it's cold in there. With his seat in the meat and his face in the fish and his big hairy paws in the buttery dish. He's nibbling the noodles, he's munching the rice, he's slurping the soda, he's licking the ice. And he lets out a roar if you open the door, and it gives me a scare to know he's in there. That polary bear in our frigidity, the air. So that is an example of a poem that has rhyme, rhythm, and repetition. I'd like to point out the repetition to you today. And the repetition, what that is, it is are the lines that we find that repeat in a poem. And the two lines that we see repeating in this poem are there's a polar bear in our frigid air, that polary bear in our frigidity dare. And then also, I've noticed that there was quite a few words that rhymed. And they weren't traditionally at the end of the line this time, they were in the same line. Seat and meat. Let's see. Oh, here are two that actually rhyme that are at the end. Rice and ice. Do you see some? Oh, yeah. At the end, too, of these. Roar and door. And then, oh, the next one, too. Scare and dare. And this poem definitely had a beat or a rhythm to it. He's nibbling the noodles, he's munching the rice, he's slurping the soda, he's licking the ice. So, today, to recap, we read a poem, Bear in There, by Shel Silverstein, and we found examples of repetition. We saw some rhyming words. And then also, I think we can agree that this had a pretty good rhythm or beat. I hope you enjoy. I hope that you will be able to print out this poem, and hopefully, you're able to make a poetry folder or collect these poems digitally so you can go back and practice and read over and over again and enjoy.